Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to trading the financial markets, including Forex, stock indices and crypto. In this video I want to share a bit about myself, who I am, what I do and why I decided to get into trading and start this channel. This isn't the story about quick money or overnight success. It's more about an honest look at the journey, the experience, the mistakes, the lessons I learned along the way. I created this channel mainly for myself. This is gonna be a place to share my thoughts, to share my market analysis and also to share my trading results, both good and bad. So some of you know me, some of you don't. So let me properly introduce myself. My name is Artem, I'm 33 years old. Over the years I lived in several countries searching for better life. And I ended up in London, where I've been living for more than 10 years. I work as an electrician while studying at university. On paper it looks like a stable and sensible path, isn't it? But over time I realized I didn't want to be stuck in a routine where every day looks the same, doing a job I don't enjoy from 8 to 5, 5 days a week just to get by. I wanted something more. Financial independence, freedom of location, and the ability to travel while earning a living. That's when my partner suggested I take a closer look at trading, and that's where my journey began. These days, there is a lot of noise around trading online, endless courses promising big profits, pictures of luxury cars, and also luxury lifestyle. But there is very little honest content about how trading really works and why only a small percentage of people ever see consistent results. I was one of those people who got drawn in by flashy numbers on the screen and the illusion of easy money sold online as education. I thought all I need was a few strategies and some videos and the profits would follow me. My early steps were chaotic. Too much information, conflicting advice, and no clear structure. I often entered trades without a solid plan, I acted emotionally, and I tried to chase the losses. The result was predictable. Losses, frustration, and that moment where you question whether this path is even for you. That's when I first realized that trading isn't about pressing buy or sell, it's about your mindset, discipline and the risk control. One of my biggest mistakes was ignoring proper risk management and expecting fast results. I paid for those lessons with my own money, and looking back, I'm genuinely grateful for that experience. Those mistakes forced me to slow down, reassess my approach and start studying the markets in a more structured, thoughtful way. Over time, I came to understand that trading is above all a psychological game, emotional control, discipline, accepting losses and managing risk. I will definitely dedicate a separate video to this topic because in my opinion, psychology is the key to the long-term consistency in trading. I genuinely believe that financial freedom is possible for anyone who's willing to do the work, stay disciplined and keep learning. And that's exactly what I want to show here. How I'm working towards that goal, step by step. On this channel, we will get a behind the scenes look at my journey, my trading approach, mistakes and the small wins, whether the trade ends in profit or loss. You will see it all. No hype, no filters, no false promising, just a real experience of someone navigating the markets. On top of that, you can expect regular, including weekly market analysis across Forex, stock indices and crypto. I will share my personal outlook, trading ideas and thoughts on possible scenarios as they unfold. If you are on a similar path or just curious about trading and investing, I hope you find this content useful and practical. Thanks for being here. There is a lot of work, learning and growth ahead, and I'm glad to have you along the ride. If you found this useful, please subscribe and turn off notification. There is more to come.